Welcome to this video about creating a transportation demand management plan. Stay tuned for more videos that will follow this one that will explain other elements of TDM in more detail. For a list of CDOT acronyms, please refer to the CDOT Acronyms and Terminology Guide. My name is Thomas Joyce, and I am a project coordinator with the Office of Innovative Mobility. This video will provide an overview of creating a transportation demand management plan. We will look at what a TDM plan is and brainstorming questions for a TDM plan. We will get an overview from a subject matter expert with Commuting Solutions, look at components of a good TDM plan, followed by the conclusions. A transportation demand management or TDM plan is completed early on in the process to help you think through TDM questions. Often TDM is considered at the end of the process, and a TDM plan can make sure that it is integrated throughout. As you may recall from the introductory video, Transportation Demand Management, or TDM, is the discipline of encouraging and facilitating traveler behavior that makes more efficient use of the transportation network. Ultimately, this means providing people with more choice about how, where, when, and if they travel. Giving them more freedom and flexibility in their work hours and location, for instance, or making it more convenient, feasible, and attractive to take transit, ride a bike, or share their trip with other travelers. Let's look at some key brainstorming questions to ask yourself as you begin the TDM process. Before you start creating a TDM plan, here are some questions to ask yourself. First, what is this street for? Do the current design elements support TDM goals? If not, what measures need to be added to make it more supportive of multimodal transportation? If people traveled this space in ways other than single occupancy vehicles, what would that look like? Other brainstorming questions to consider are, if people wanted to walk, bike, wheel, scoot in this area, would the current design encourage or discourage them from doing so? And what will be the impact of a new influx of people to this area on the existing transportation infrastructure? Now, let's hear from our subject matter expert, Camille Bedford, a TDM planner at Commuting Solutions.
Hi there, my name is Camille Bedford and I'm a TDM planner with Commuting Solutions. And for those of you who are not familiar with us, we are a TMO in the Northwest Metro region that aims to connect people with businesses or places through different forms of transportation. So getting right into it, what is a TDM plan? Well, TDM plans are a collaborative effort in defining the intersection of sustainability, accessibility, and efficiency in our current and future transportation systems. This is often in the form of a planning effort with local, regional, or state governments, as well as businesses. When you're looking at how to prepare a TDM plan, first and foremost, it's going to be a lot of data gathering. So this looks at current and future land uses, populations, existing plans, as well as infrastructure, different things like that. From there, you want to move to engaging the community and meet with different public entities to get their opinions. So this kind of comes in the form of surveys or outreach initiatives, public forums, and really what you're trying to define are common complaints about transportation systems, what people are really liking, as well as any gaps that you're able to bridge in the formation of a new transportation plan. It's also looking at wanting to stress the longevity of this plan and its relevancy in years to come to kind of solidify that sustainable aspect of it. From there, once you've gathered all of that information, it moves to more of a technical planning side. So this is proposing solutions, defining costs, defining funding sources, and then one of the final steps is the marketing or the communication of the plan, which often comes in the form of another community event. And then from there, it's the launch and the implementation. So lots of hard work goes into the collaboration of a TDM plan, and Commuting Solutions is really proud to be a member of the work being done along the short range.
We have a document that will help you think through the major issues in more detail. This document can be found through the Mobility Services website and will be provided in the video description. Make sure you consider how you will measure the success for the implementation of TDM strategies. Consider things such as usage, vehicle miles traveled reduction, or greenhouse gas reduction, just to name a few. Now let's briefly look at TDM funding. TDM strategies are often implemented at the end and are the first things to cut from the budget. Identifying funding early on ensures that they are included in the project. You may also want to budget TDM strategies or have a plan during construction. We will have another video that overviews TDM funding sources in more detail. In conclusion, TDM plans ensure that TDM is incorporated into the project and not tagged on at the end. Considering funding sources, design elements, residential supports and barriers, and what constitutes a successful TDM project and how that will be measured will make your TDM strategies more successful in the long run. Thank you for watching this video about creating a TDM plan. Go to the TDM program page for more information. The website address is linked in the description below. For TDM questions, please email dot_innovativemobility@state.co.us. Thank you for watching.